Hi, good evening. If this message has found you, you're possibly an artist, possibly a musician, possibly a singer, possibly a pop star to be like me, because those are the hashtags that I'm going to be using. Anyway, let's move on. If you're just somebody who is, trying to pursue a dream, this message is for you. I know that pursuing a dream is really hard. There are obstacles, there is things that you do not know how they will pan out. There is a lot of rejection, there's a lot of burnout, honestly, emotional, mental, physical, spiritual, anything. There is burnout for things that haven't even happened yet, right? And I just want you to know that this is your sign that you should keep going anyway. Take the day off, take some rest, eat that ramen that you want to eat, okay? Have that good food, have that extra chocolate milkshake or something, but still keep going, okay? And this is my way of doing the same thing for me, because just achieving it would be so nice. Like, you've already come this far. You've done so much things other people don't even know about that you've done, but you know that you have. Whether it was just petting yourself through the night because you felt lonely and nobody supported you, or taking out, like, chunks of your like financial status and financial ability to have like the semblance of tools that could help you out. There's so many things, right? And you still did them, you were still doing them. So keep going. Do not let that, let a temporary, what should I say, what should I call it, not a setback, temporary temporary illusion of things not working out stop you from seeing the actual bigger picture, which is you achieving everything you want. And this is my way of doing the same thing for myself here, because I'm trying to grow on YouTube. I'm trying to build like a community of people who will support me and my music, and I want to post every day. But sometimes, like today, I do not have any talent related or hotness related post for you. So I just wanted to give you something, a piece of me, a piece of what I want to stand for, right? A piece that I actually give a shit about, like my music. I mean, the hot stuff is hot and nice, but it doesn't move me, but it does really well. So I'm gonna keep a nice balance of it. But this is just something that I wanted to add, that if there is somebody you need who could, be that little soft spot where you want to just rest for a little while, I would love for you to be here. And I know that good and great times and the most phenomenal times are right ahead of us. Anyway, good night. Love you.